Good morning, my dear friends. This is Professor R.M. Sonone. Today, we just have a little introduction about the business communication semester third. We will little check the which topics we have in the semester third. Let's see this. We have four topics in semester third in the business communication. First topic, the name is report writing and internal correspondence. Report writing. When you are working in the firm or working in the industry, that time you have to write a reports as a manager or as a secretary. That time you have to write a proper reports for the employees or proper reports for the work what you have done. That time how to write this type of reports, what are the types of report we are going to see in this chapter. So first we learn about in this chapter that the meaning and significance of the report, then what is the structure of report, what are the main points included in this chapter. There are some types of reports, right, like informal report, then formal report, then project report. After that we just have a little introduction for the essential elements of report writing. Essential elements, what we need in the report, how to write a report, what is the format of that report, and these are the important structure, important points when you are writing in the reports. Then we have an office memo also in this chapter, then office orders, then office circular, what is the meaning of the office circular, what the purpose of the office circular, and the other things included in this chapter. And then we have a form memos or letters. Why we write a memo, or why we have to need to write a letter. Then press release, what is the press release, what is the meaning of the press release, and then other, what is the import export trade. All these things we are going to learn in this first chapter. The name is report writing and internal correspondence. Then after that we have a second chapter, the recent trends in business communication. Today in this globalization period we have various methods for the communication, and we are using technology also in the communication time. So what are the different types of communication, or which are the different modes of communication we are going to learn in this chapter. The first one, we have a now this in this time we used internet, we used internet, and then email, websites also. This is the medium of communication. Then we also use social media network like Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook also, and WhatsApp. These are the way of communication also, and this communication methods comes in the modern business communication chapter. Then we have a Google Doc, Google Form, Google Sheets also, Google Slide, Google Classroom, online conference, video conferencing, meeting through Zoom app, Google Meet app, Cisco WebEx meeting app. So all these trends which are used in the modern business communication. Now we have a little video in this chapter. We are using this method for the communication. This is the modern type of method which we are using now. I am sharing this video with you. And in this we have a third chapter of types and drafting of business letter. Types and draftings of business letter. First one, in this chapter we will know that why we need to write letters, what are the purpose of the letter, and what is the meaning of letter. We have a meaning of letter, definition of letter, then types of letters like inquiry letter. In this inquiry letter, why we need to write inquiry letter? When we inquire something about the object or something, what is the purpose of the inquiry letter? Then replies to inquiries letter, order letter, credit and status inquiry, sales letter also, complaint letter, collection letter, and the circular letter. So these are the types of business letters which we have to write when we are doing business. So in this chapter we are going to learn the definition of the letters, what is the purpose of the letter, how to write a letter, mainly how to write a letter, what is the format of the letter. In this chapter we are going to learn. And the last one we have fourth chapter, that writing formal mails and blog writing. This is the new chapter added in this syllabus. Writing a formal mails, how to write a mail, emails, how to send emails, and blogs writing. What is the blog? When we are writing blog on some subject or topic, then how to write it. There are some formats of the blog. Also there are formats of the emails also. What is the email and the blog, and how to write all those things we are going to learn in this chapter. So students, we have a fourth chapter in the third semester in this subject, business communication. Thank you.